Donald Trump wants a base on the moon, and Amazon's billionaire founder Jeff Bezos has been chosen to help build it. And if that sounds strange, well, welcome to space exploration in the 21st century, where President Trump wants astronauts back on the moon in 2 years' time. So private companies with very deep pockets, not NASA itself, will be the ones to make it happen, hopefully. The space agency just revealed plans for robotic landers, hopping drones, lunar rovers, and eventually semi-permanent housing at the moon's south pole. All part of its grand vision to build a permanent base on the moon by 2032. A rush to get there ahead of China, which wants to put its own astronauts on the lunar surface by the end of this decade. So who better to recruit to beat the competition than two of the world's richest men? Jeff Bezos, whose Blue Origin aerospace company makes rockets and moon landers, and Elon Musk, the near-trillionaire founder of SpaceX. They'll compete with each other for lucrative contracts in the new space race. One that looks very different from the grainy images of the Apollo mission of the 1960s. Back then, NASA designed almost everything itself. Now it acts more like a contractor, directing the mission while industry builds the hardware. That means the race back to the moon isn't just about astronauts planting flags, it's about who controls the logistics, who builds the cargo systems and communications networks, who supplies the power, who lands the vehicles, and eventually who profits from it. The moon's south pole is especially important because it may contain frozen water that can be turned into oxygen, drinking water, and rocket fuel, which means this isn't just a science mission anymore, it's the beginning of a potential lunar economy. If, and it's a giant if, the billionaires can overcome all the engineering challenges and actually make it happen within the time frame. Because many experts think NASA's timeline is very optimistic, especially as China is putting everything into its own ambitious space program and wants to get there first.